Good morning children. In this video for semester 2 book lesson 1 water world and agriculture. Students, I hope you all finished fill-ups, choose and one or two sentence. Now we are going to 5th Roman classwork question and answer. Okay. Now a question: how do tube well and tanks help in irrigation? Tube wells and tanks are the way of traditional watering. It helps us mainly in remote areas where the supply of water is not possible. Again one time I explain answer. Tube wells and tanks are the ways of traditional watering. What is the spelling of traditional? T-R-A tra D-I-D schnell T-I-O-N-A-L traditional watering W-A-T-E-R-I-N-G traditional watering. It helps us mainly in remote R-E-M-O-T-E remote areas A-R-E-A-S where the supply of water is not possible. Okay. Now B question: why are dams are also called multi-purpose project? Name any two dams in India. Again one time. Why are dams also called a multi-purpose project? Name any two dams in India. Now answer. Dams are useful in several ways and are hence called a multi-purpose project. Dams D-A-M-S dams are A-R-E are useful U-S-E useful F-U-L useful in I-N in several S-E-V-E-R-A-L several ways W-A-Y-S several ways and A-N-D and R A-R-E are hence H-E-N-C-E hence called a C-A-L-L-E-D called multi-purpose M-U-L-D-I multi-purpose P-U-R purpose P-O-S-E purpose project P-R-O project J-E-C-T-S. Okay. Second point: dam water is used to generate hydroelectricity. Dams water is used to generate hydroelectricity. Okay, what is the spelling of generate? G-E-N-E-R-A-T-E rate J-E-N-E generate R-A-T-E generate hydro H-Y high D-R-O tro electric E-L-E-C-T elect R-I-C-I-T-Y city electricity. Next point: dams help to prevent floods along the banks of river. Okay. D-A-M-S dams H-E-L-P help T-O to prevent P-R-E-V-E-N-T prevent flood FLOODS flood, along ALONG along, the the banks, BANKS banks, OFR RIVERS rivers. Next point, these reservoirs are also used for breeding fish and for recreation purposes. Okay, these reservoirs are also used for breeding fish and for recreation purposes. Okay. Now, see question. Why do we need to conserve water? Why do we need to conserve water? Mention some ways of conserving water. Answer. With increasing population, there is an increased demand for water. WITH with increasing, INCREASING, increasing population, POPU, population, LATION, there is, THERE, there, IS is, an increased, 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 demand, demand, demand for water. Second point, we need to conserve it for future generation also. WEVNEED, need, TO2, conserve, 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 IT, FOR for future, FUTURE, future generation, GENERATIONS, generation also. Next, some ways of conserving water. Close tap when not in use. Close tap when not in use. Ensure rainwater harvesting. Ensure rainwater harvesting. Harvesting spelling HARVEST, West, ING, harvesting. Recycle used water. RECYCLE, recycle used water. Next point, plant more trees as they reduce runoff water and improve water retention by the soil. Plant more trees as they reduce runoff water and improve water retention by. Now fourth one, what are food crops? Write about any one food crop grown in India. Again one time, what are food crops? Write about any one food crop grown in India. Now answer, the crops that are used directly as food, such as rice, wheat, pulses, millet and barley, are called food crops. Again one time, the crops that are used directly as food such as rice, wheat, pulses, millet and barley are called food crops. Listen, I explain millet. Millet grow in drier condition when compared to rice or wheat. Jowar, bajra and ragi are the main millet crops in India. Okay. Now fifth one. What do you understand by green revolution? Answer. Green revolution means production of good and healthy crops by using HYV seed, best fertilizer and modern method in agriculture. Again one time. Green revolution means production of good and healthy crops by using HYV seed, best fertilizer and modern method in agriculture. Students, now I am going to recall India river map because this map has 8 marks in half-yearly exam. Okay, now I explain about type of rivers. Rivers has two types, perennial rivers and non-perennial rivers. Now I explain about perennial rivers. Perennial rivers, which are rivers fed by glaciers and lakes, have water all through the year and therefore help in agriculture. Example, listen here. Ganga, Yamuna and their tributaries. The Indus and its tributaries and the Brahmaputra. Okay, what are the perennial rivers? Ganga, Yamuna, Indus. Okay, what is meant by perennial rivers? Which are rivers fed by glaciers and lakes, have water all through the year and therefore help in agriculture. Example, Ganga, Yamuna, Indus. Okay, now I explain about non-perennial river. Non-perennial rivers are fed only by rain and become dry during the other month of the year. Example, listen here. Narmada, Tapti, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. Okay, again one time. Non-perennial rivers are fed only by rain and become dry during the other month of year. Example, Narmada, listen, Narmada, Tapti, listen, Narmada, Tapti, Godavari, Krishna, Mahanadi, Kaveri. Again one time. Narmada, Tapti, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. Okay, listen. Now I explain about in India rivers. Okay, listen. Indus, Ganga, Yamuna, Sambal, Sutlej and Narmada, Tapti, again Ganga, Yamuna. Sun is one of the tributary of Ganga and Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Tungabhadra and Kaveri. Okay, again one time I explain. Bernil river has two types. One Bernil river, another one non-Bernil river. Bernil rivers, which are rivers fed by glaciers and lakes, have water all through the year and therefore help in agriculture. Okay, the Ganga, Yamuna and the tributaries, the Indus and the tributaries, and the Brahmaputra Okay, again Bernil rivers, Ganga, Yamuna, Indus, Brahmaputra. These rivers are called Bernil rivers. Okay, now I explain about non-Bernil river. Listen, what is meant by non-Bernil river? Non-Bernil rivers are fed only by rain and become dry during the other months of year. Example, Narmada. Listen, Narmada, Tapti, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. Okay, thank you children. Dear students, we will see remaining part of the lesson in next week. Okay.